There are many reasons why IP67 Decentralised Automation Products feature prominently in Turck's comprehensive lineup. A lineup that includes field I/O modules, field logic controllers, PLCs, HMIs, safety I/O and controls, Ethernet switches, and a whole lot more. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Turck's IP67 automation products reduce hardware and installation costs by removing the need for cabinets, simplifying wiring, and enabling modular machine concepts. Decentralised automation enables simplified, clear programming and reduced commissioning times. Turck can provide distributed intelligence in IP67 with the flexibility of remote I/O either with or without using the embedded extra intelligence. Turck's hybrid safety I/O block modules provide standard switching and I/O link, as well as safe imports and/or outputs, all in one device, and can be used as I/O modules in larger safety systems or as small standalone safety controllers. Turck's IP67, IP69K fully potted I/O devices can also be used in dusty, wet and high vibration industrial environments. Would you like more information? Simple, visit Turck at turck.com.au or call them 1300 132 566, and thank you for watching.